Greetings, and welcome to another video. And as you got from the title, today we have another nunchuck lesson. Now, got my nunchucks. Now, today, I'm not going to be doing what I did last time, where I showed you I think it was 3 basic techniques. Instead, I'm going to show you 2 techniques and 2 exercises. Now, for starters, the new techniques. Now, last time I showed you this one, but today I'm going to show you the advanced version. So, get into the position, and then what you want to do is you want to let go with this hand, swing it over to this side. And what you want to do is you want to arc it to where it swings up, and you want to catch it with the other hand. Like that. Then, the other side. Just repeat a bunch of times. Now this is generally what a lot of people think of when they think nunchucks. Sorry, not easy to do this while talking. But yeah, this is generally the thing that people think of when they hear nunchucks. Just swinging them around. And honestly, it's stuff like this that causes people to think that nunchucks aren't actually weapons, when they are definitely weapons. Now, second technique, if you see me doing it a lot, is this. Now, this is not traditional by any means. However, it does have value. So, now what you do is keep your grip and just rotate your wrist. Now, you might be saying, how does this have value? Well, it allows you to it can be used for distance control. Just general having it moving, which it can be useful in certain scenarios. I've actually seen people run, the second the other guy pulls nunchucks, because they think that they're gonna do something ridiculous. So just making it known that you have them can be enough. Also, if you just switch away the rotation to this way, it's building up kinetic energy. Well, it's building up speed so that you can swing it faster. And it's also similar to how fighters will bounce around with their footwork. I would demonstrate, but I can't because I'm in an ankle brace. In order to disguise their attacks so that they can't be seen. But yeah, so you keep it. Honestly, I think this is one of the easiest things to do. Now, on to the 2 exercises I had to show you. Oh, but first, always remember to practice with the other hand. You need to be equal on both sides. Now, for the 2 exercises I had to show you. First, both of these exercises are mostly for training control of the weapon. And this first one is actually really good for training the forearms. So you want to extend it past your reach. Well, not past your reach. But then what you're going to do is you're going to start swinging it like this. The goal is to keep your hand in roughly the same position while having the nunchucks swing close to where they're nearly parallel with your forearm. This helps develop great control, and it even benefits you in terms of wrist stability and forearm strength and endurance. So, that's a plus. And generally, I like to do all of the nunchuck stuff for repetitions, but this one honestly is better done for time. Now, the second exercise to do for this. Now, this is actually doing it in more of a way that looks like you're actually using it. Now, what you're going to do is going to swing it back here. Now, what you're going to do is going to put your hand here and quickly put it back as you swing forward, and then repeat. Now, you can add an extra spin in there, like you can see that I'm doing. Just to add more, just to add a little bit more to it. And as usual, practice both sides. So, that was the nunchuck lesson for today. And, for this, I'm also going to include a basic, regimen for getting to a nunchuck training for the nunchucks. For start, now, this one is going to be a beginner routine, and as the videos go on, I will progressively give you more advanced routines. Now, for beginners, start off with this, with 100 repetitions each side for a total of 200. And after that, practice this one 100 times as well. Both sides. Again, total of 200. And then this one for 200 times each side for a total of 400. You might be saying, it's ridiculous. I did worse as I was, while learning this. Only thing is, I made the mistake of only really training with my right side. So, and as for the drills that I showed you today, do this. Now, I'd say roughly 3 sets of 30 seconds to 1 minute should be more than sufficient for a beginner. And as for this one, this one, I say roughly 100 times, on both sides. Now I use that one a lot, just because this is a very technical weapon. So getting a solid foundation of the basic techniques will always, be better. It's easy to mess up. You saw me mess up multiple times throughout the making of this video just because I was talking while doing it. Focus is very important, while using this. But if you have a solid foundation of the techniques, it can become easier. So, thank you all very much for watching. This is Random Man, signing off.